I'm Nicole Petallides, here to take you through this week's market action. Tariffs implemented by the Trump administration led to steep selling action this week. The Nasdaq and Russell closed in bear territory, each down 9.7%. The S&P hit May lows, down 9%. The Dow lost and closed down 8%. And 11 sectors in the S&P 500 closed down as well. The energy group sold off 14%. Tech was down over 11%. Financials lost 10%. Taking a closer look at the tariffs from the Trump administration, they include 10% baseline tariff on imported goods, 20% on the EU, and 34% on China. China issued a 34% retaliatory tariff on Friday that affects imported goods from the United States. Additionally, a 25% tariff on foreign automakers took effect on Thursday. Markets across the globe tumbled alongside the U.S. Chinese large caps fell 8.6% since the start of the week. European stocks slipped over 8%. Here in the U.S., Mag 7 stocks were not unscathed. Apple and Meta platforms slipped more than 10% on the week. Nvidia closed as the biggest Mag 7 laggard, down 14%. Alphabet and Microsoft tapped 52-week lows. The country's largest banks also took a big hit. JP Chase sold off 13% this week and is now 25% below its all-time high it reached less than 2 months ago. As a sector, financials slipped to September lows, with Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo, and Goldman Sachs all recording double-digit percentage declines. Analysts worry an economic slowdown or recession will reduce loan demand and increase delinquencies. This comes as most major banks kick off the start of earnings season next week. We'll also get reports from Delta Airlines, Walgreens, and Constellation Brands. Watch for data on CPI, PPI, and jobless claims. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Nicole Petallides. Remember, tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.